Hello guys, I am Mohit. Welcome to my YouTube platform. Next problem on geomorphology numerical is a drainage basin of fourth order covers an area 500 square kilometer having length of first order 150 kilometer, second order is 120 kilometer, third order is 80 kilometer and fourth order is 60 kilometer. If the basin highest and lowest elevation is 8000 meter and 1000 meter respectively, calculate rugged number. So let's start. What is given? Given data. First we find given data. Given data is a drainage basin of fourth order covers an area. Area is given. So capital A is how many? 500 square kilometer. 500 square kilometer. Then length is given. Length equal to first order is 150 kilometer. 150 kilometer. Second order is 120 kilometer. Plus third order is 80 kilometer. Plus and fourth order length is 60 kilometer. 60 kilometer. If we add this, we get 410 kilometer. And next is basin highest and lowest elevation is given. Highest and lowest elevation means relief. Relief is given. Relief means difference between highest and lowest elevation, that is 8000 minus 1000 meter equal to 7000 meter. If we calculate in kilometer, then we get 7 kilometer. And what we to calculate? Rugged number. Rugged number. Rugged number, which is denoted by NR equal to what? Formula for rugged number I already uploaded in my earlier videos. So rugged number formula is rugged number, that is NR equal to relief into drainage density. So we have relief, that is 7 kilometer, but we don't have drainage density. So we have to first find drainage density. So drainage density, we know that drainage density equal to length upon area. So length is given, that is 410 kilometer. 410 kilometer and area is 500 square kilometer. 500 square kilometer and length in kilometer. So this kilometer and this square get cancelled. So drainage density will become 0.82 kilometer inverse. This is drainage density and we have to calculate rugged number. So we put drainage density in this formula. So rugged number equal to relief is 7 kilometer. Relief is 7 kilometer and then drainage density is 0.82 kilometer inverse. This kilometer inverse and this kilometer get cancelled. Then if we calculate this, then we get 5.74. This is our answer. And ruggedness number is unitless. So ruggedness number is 5.74. Next problem is a drainage basin of fourth order covers 400 square kilometer an area having length of first order 120 kilometer, second order is 80 kilometer, third order is 40 kilometer and fourth order is 30 kilometer. If the basin have relief of 300 meter, calculate rug number. So let's start. Given data. First we have to find given data. What is given? Fourth order covers an area is given again. Area equal to 400 square kilometer. Then length is given. Length is given 120 kilometer first order. Then second order is 80 kilometer plus 80 kilometer plus third order length is 40 kilometer and fourth order length is 30 kilometer. So total length is 270 kilometer. 270 kilometer. Again relief is given, that is capital R equal to 300 meter. Relief is 300 meter, that is 0.3 kilometer, and rug number is asking. So NR, we know that formula for rug number. Formula for rug number is NR equal to relief into drainage density, that is DD. So it is also easy problem as like previous, so you can solve it very easily. So try to solve it and put in answer in comment box. Next problem is a drainage basin of third order covers 150 square kilometer area having length of first order is 12.5 kilometer, second order is 8.5 kilometer, third order is 7 kilometer. If the elevation difference of basin, that is 5000 meter, and the length of basin is 15 kilometer, calculate the relief ratio. So let's start. Given data. First we have to find given data. Area is given, that is capital A equal to 150 kilometer square. Then again length, basin length is given 15 kilometer, length equal to 15 kilometer. And what we need to calculate? Relief ratio, that is RR equal to what? We know that formula for relief ratio. Formula for relief ratio is basin relief divided by basin length. So basin relief is, where is basin relief? Elevation difference means basin relief, that is 5000 meter. This is relief 5000 meter, there implies 5 kilometer. So basin relief is 5 kilometer and basin length is 15 kilometer. Kilometer get cancelled, we get relief ratio, that is 0.33. This is relief ratio. Thank you guys.